think about you, boy.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you.
Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a phone, make a keep a deep phone, phone, phone. Your body kakara, make a phone, 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 on a magnetic.
Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel. I'm jumping right into it. Thank you so much CynosureHair company for sending me this wig for today's tutorial. So when you first receive your wig, it's going to come with a nude stocking cap, some really cute lashes, an edge band with the company's name on it, along with a removable elastic band for the back of your wig. Here's the wig they sent me. This is their 22-inch body wave frontal wig. As you can see, I went ahead and customized it off camera, bleached it, plucked the knot. This is what it looks like. The parting space on this wig is 13 by 4. I'm just going to go ahead and clip the two adjustable straps built into the wig together. And then I went ahead and cut off the extra lace around the back and the ear tab area of the wig. I like to use the Ebon Lace Tint Spray just to tint my lace for a better match to my skin complexion. Once you're done tinting your lace, then it's time to put the wig on. I'm just going to pull it down to where I want to install it at. Make sure that it fits perfectly. And then I'm just going to go in with my Ebon Lace Bonding Spray. And I'm going to spray that around my edges. Press it in with my comb. Wait for it to dry a little bit. Add a second layer. Then I'll blow dry it. Make sure that it's completely dry before we start to style the hair.
But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Like that. It's really shooting for me like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was you, it would be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make.
Once the lace is intact and it's not going nowhere, it is time for styling, guys. I'm going to be styling this wig with the side part with layers and body wave curls. This is literally my go-to hairstyle. I'm really a side part girly for real. I just love how the side part looks on us. Super classy, can be worn as an everyday hairstyle or dress it up. I actually went out Saturday night. Y'all know I never go out anymore. But I will insert some clips of how the hair looked. It really always slays. A side part, you cannot go wrong with it. So again, I want to give a big thanks to CynosureHair company for sponsoring this video. All links to the products used as well as the links to this wig in the wig store will be down below. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Smooches.
Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight. looking this good. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want, I'm the shit. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Yeah, look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Wake up, post up, round round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say it's so good tonight. It's so good tonight.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you don't show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like that. My heart goes like that. You just won't stop me like that. My heart goes like that. You just won't stop me like. And every time I think about you, when you ride.
Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a make